Are you ready to turn your TV into an art gallery with Vizzio Art? Let's show you how to do it with an Android TV device. The Android TV device must already be set up on your TV. Now switch on your Android TV device and go to the Google Play App Store. Search for Vizzio Art. Install and run the app. Please make sure your Android TV device and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. You've downloaded the Vizzio Art mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play and purchased an art subscription. Then on your smartphone, go to Settings, select Manage Devices and click Add New Device. Click on Scan and your Android TV device will appear. Click on the Pair icon and the selected device will be paired. Vizzio Art app needs to be open on the TV, otherwise the mobile app won't be able to detect it. That's it! Now you're ready to use Vizzio Art to stream artworks and images to make your living spaces more beautiful.